at that bird. What the heck's he doing? That can't be good for your beak, little fella. No matter how hard the obstacle, you gotta keep pushing through. Nature's doing her thing. That old tree's probably gonna fall pretty soon.
I felt something at my foot. It was my little dog.
Now nature's an interesting thing. See how that tree leaning all the way up comes from down there and pushing all the way up against this tree. Shaking it, giving it a rattle. That might be too much weight on that tree. She's gonna tip. She's gonna tip. Son of a gun. We went through this interesting walk in the woods this morning, and I put my technology down for a minute because something happened. And it doesn't happen a lot in your life, but every now and again it happens. I call it the perfect moment. It's that moment where, for a brief period of time, you kind of forget everything past and future, and you're right there. I've had it happen to me a few times. Usually it happens to you in nature. One time when I was 19, I was baling hay, and we were up at 6 in the morning, and I felt some kind of presence, some kind of God right there with me. But right here, as I was walking through this woods, I dropped my cell phone and I stood there. The perfect moment hit me, where everything is just all right for just a little bit of time. And then that moment left, and I was back worried about some kind of nonsense BS that I shouldn't be worried about. Nature. It's the most important thing we got.
Web, another string.
Nature at work.
Because when you opened up the garage door, it broke his web. It broke his span. And now he's coming down. Look at that. Look, he's
Give us the play-by-play.
yeah, he is fixing his web at the same time as waiting for the opportune moment to come down and pierce the bug, the insect, so he can, make his food, wrap it up, and keep it tucked away for when he's hungry.
Nature at its best.
Nature at its best. We all have to eat, and look. He is fixing his web. It could be a she, but fixing its web at the same time. Look at that. Look, that is so awesome.
It's what you call swine time.